Hey, it's been pretty happy up on 10 meters, but I am going to turn this down. The guys are out in Mississippi talking real quick. But I wanted to talk about this unit. I'm going through these, and yeah, this one has a little bit of a, like the lighting has caused an issue with that. I'm going to see if I can fix that. But other than that, this is a completely wireless unit. And yes, there is no wires in the back, no antenna, no power inside. There's no speaker. Oh boy, one of these. But I thankfully have a couple of extra stuff laying around that was thrown in with this. And yeah, this is the power terminals. There's the antenna jack. There's a little grommet for the power. But yeah, that antenna jack's not going to work. Went ahead and grabbed one of these. So yeah, it's just a big old pigtail. We're going to go ahead and put in and solder in. And power cables, and using that grommet as well. It's always something with these things, man. Maybe that's why I never got around to them, but I will today. All right, so we went ahead and put some wires on that wireless unit. So yeah, we did the antenna and power. The antenna's pretty simple. It's right there, and then our power lead's right over there. But yeah, that's it. The only thing it doesn't have is a speaker, but the good thing, it has that external speaker jack. A lot of times these get used that way anyway. They get stacked up in a patrol situation, or they use external speakers and they don't even come with these speakers as an option. So put a little money into it, but I mean, I want to sell a functional thing. But yeah, it's a VHF. Going to be pre-programmed for MURS as 8 channels. So I'm just going to do the MURS channels on this, and you know, it can be used for whatever. But I'm going to go ahead and power this up, make sure I don't release that magic smoke. And we're back with the Kenwood Tk-762G. And this one here is without a speaker. Does come with the plates on it, of course. I got to put it all together, but I want to make sure it works properly. We had add the power cable and the antenna on it, so we're going to just power this up real quick. Everything works good through the external speaker. Get a speaker, it will work. And when I pulled off the data programming, which I love to do, it's my favorite thing to do, is to pull off the data programming original. And using the software KPG-56 Delta. That software is the Kenwood software to program up this unit, so use that. That's very easy to get, and the key and everything as well. We went ahead and just pulled this off, so it was like 173s. And a lot of them. A couple of them came through in the clear, but yeah, they were all a couple of repeaters, but they weren't that far off. It was about 5 megs off on their transmit and receive, but they were all wideband and high band, but 173, so yeah, it was probably a Federal Radio and at auction. And sometimes when they get at auction, they just cut all the wires and not just unscrew the damn terminal for the antenna and the cable wire. So what I did is replaced all that and got this up to snuff. Programmed it up for the 5 MURS channels. The last 2, of course, are a wideband version. We went ahead and just added in my weather channel locally here just to get some receive on this. Programmed up the monitor. These 2 buttons have not been programmed for anything. Actually, all those haven't been programmed for anything, but this one, just monitor up and down. This, of course, is our volume. So if we have that, and of course, through an external speaker. External speaker's doing all that, but you can definitely do that and have it plugged in. So I just have it plugged in with the 5 MURS channels. Of course, the last 2 are wideband. Those are widebands. So what happens if you skip 2 of the channels here that it'll just
Relative
jump
humidity
over.
90%. The wind was east at 14 miles an hour.
Oh,
The pressure was 29.84 inches and rising. Along Riley Waterfront Park in downtown Charleston, the temperature was 81 degrees. The dew point
81.
was
Good.
72.
All right, 81 degrees. Not bad. Not a terrible time. It's raining out here right now. But yeah, this is working really well. So yeah, you could set up these buttons to do a lot of features with the Kenwood KPG-56 Delta software. Of course, when it comes, you got to get one of these cables as well. It doesn't come with the cable or software, but yeah, this is the Kenwood TK cable, and the other end, of course, is plugs into the mic jack to be able to program it up. But yeah, these are kind of cool radios, still functional, still usable. 25 watts out, can't be too terrible. But yeah, with the MURS frequencies and stuff like that, you can do a lot of programming if you need a radio and you're in security or public safety or any of those things within the VHF band. You need one. A lot of taxi cabs use them still. This is a good one to get, but yeah, I don't have a use for it, so this is one of those ones that's going away, but better than what I got it. So yeah, you just need a speaker or use external jack, or perfect for a VHF repeater setup. So it's up to you. I just don't need it anymore. But cool little radios. All the ones built in now with the CTCSS tones. It's a great radio for 2-meter repeater if you just need it for that, or receive, or emergency use, or just to monitor the weather band here. Of course, you can't transmit on that. I disabled that. But yeah, you can do a whole bunch of fun stuff with it. But yeah, this is one of those cool ones. So yeah, the Kenwood Tk-762G, repaired and outdoor. All right, see you in the next one. There's my thumb. See ya. Goodness, I almost forgot to mention it does come with a mic clip, and mounting screws for the mic clip. So yeah, you'll get all of this in this unit. So yeah, the only thing it doesn't come with is the speaker. But otherwise, yeah, it's a great radio. You need it for a repeater, you need it for something else, VHF, and you have an external speaker, you got no problems with this radio. Good to go. But yeah, that KPG-56 Delta software, and you can program it up any which way you like. Also, if these are not the frequency you use, or if these are in the wrong order that you use it in for the channel, I'll go ahead and program it for free before I ship it to you. So send me a message with the frequencies you need programmed in. I'll go ahead and do it for free, and you don't have to worry about the software. But yes, you will get this beautiful microphone, you'll get everything else. So if these aren't the radio frequencies you use, yes, it's free programming. You just tell me your input and output frequencies and the tones, and I will make sure you have that. You don't have to worry about getting the software, programming it, and the cable and everything. But hey, least I could do. You want this radio? No problem. I will get it to you and program it for you. And if you tell me all the channels, I will do it just to get it out the door. I do appreciate y'all. 73.